Bring him from the yard.
And I would like to thank my first mate supporters, Andre Cruz. This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and today I have for you, look what the cat dragged in. Oh, actually, so I sent some cars to 2HD Cat the other day, and he got something for me, and this just came in the mail today, and it is an amphi car. And I thought about trying to do something funny where I put it in water and see if it flows, but obviously it won't. But this is pretty cool. It says copyright 2011. I don't know. I might keep it just the way it is. I may change it up. I don't know. Just the way it is. I mean, I don't remember the real ones having an engine that big, but that's pretty cool that Hot Wheels did that. So, there it is. Thank you, Cat. Appreciate it. So, hey, go out and check out his channel and leave a comment down below. Click that like button for me. Ring the bell for notifications. And as always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I'll see you next time.